How to fix Lidl app not working. So you must be encountering this issue because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for the application Lidl. Move into it. Right now, you can see the option of open, but if the option of update is available, then tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device and then move into General. Inside General, head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Lidl. Once you have found it, move into it. Now what you want to do is tap on Offload app. Once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache of the application. Also remove unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Even after this, if you're still encountering the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Lidl app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.